Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be telling you a step-by-step recipe of a very special dish whose name is Dhuska. Dhuska is a traditional recipe from India, especially from Jharkhand and other parts. It is a pretty tasty dish where rice is the main ingredient. So let's get started. But yeah, before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, like my videos and all that. So let's begin. Take a quick look at the ingredients for making the special dish Dhuska. For making Dhuska, we require 1 glass of rice, which is the normal daily rice, or you can use the idli rice. Chana dal 8 teaspoons, urad dal 10 teaspoons, cumin or jeera 2 teaspoons, garlic 15 pieces or 1 full garlic you can use. Green chilies, you can add chilies as per the taste. I have used around 8 pieces of green chilies, and salt, that is also as per the taste. So our first step in making this dhuska is to mix all the pulses. Mix the rice, chana dal and the urad dal. Mix them in a bowl and wash them with clean water. After washing, you need to soak them overnight. So now we'll drain out all the water. Now we have washed the rice. Now we soak them overnight. It overnight. Leave some water in the mixture and add the garlic and the chilies in that. Now just transfer them into the mixie. So all the mixture is grinded now. We'll just transfer them into a bowl. So this is the texture. This is the refined oil. We have heated a bit of oil on high flame, and then we have done the flame low. On low flame we are just putting the mixture. As per the size of the karahi, you can use one dhuska one at a time, or you can also do two at a time. And now you just take it out slowly, drain out the excess oil and take it out on a tissue. So this is it. See. So this is how the dhuska all looks like. I'll break it up and show you. Show you how that looks like from within. And yes, see. Very nice, and it's very crispy. It's very crispy, it's soft. And it's very yummy. So you can have it with chutney of your choice. We have used a chana dal chutney. This is using that chutney. You can use any chutney of your choice. You can use dhania chutney, you can use mirchi chutney, and your dhuska is ready. So let's have it now. So thank you for watching my recipe. If you like it, do hit the like button. Do comment how you like the recipe. If you like it, share your feedbacks and share my recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.